So some of you guys who are into the tech world may have been following the WWDC 2022, which has been happening, I believe, over the past 2 days, and it's going to go on for yet another 2 days. And if you're unfamiliar with what the WWDC is, that is the Worldwide Developers Conference, essentially where some of the newest technology is revealed. They gave us a lot of information about the future, of course, of their phones, laptops, and watches, and all of that. But one thing that really stuck out to me was something that's actually going to pertain to cars for more or less the foreseeable future, which is Apple CarPlay and how cars are going to be affected by it. So I'm going to get into more details about CarPlay. I'll touch on a few other aspects of what happened at this WWDC event. But first, if you guys are new here, definitely like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you guys are enjoying this content that I'm making. And without further ado, let's start up the video. So Apple CarPlay, it's been a feature that we've had for a while in a bunch of different vehicles. Apparently there was a study that was carried out by Apple, and they're finding out that 80% of people, give or take 80% of people, are essentially making their decision on what car they want to buy based on the availability of Apple CarPlay. But it's turning out that it's becoming a more integral part of the driver experience, especially if you're the type who commutes. Having something like Apple CarPlay is definitely going to alleviate the stress of driving long distances. And Apple have taken this a step forward in order to integrate this fully into most vehicles. So now going on to what the actual features of this CarPlay is going to look like in your vehicle. Considering the fact that most vehicles these days have screens almost everywhere, it's a lot more likely that we're going to see CarPlay take over all the screens. Meaning you're going to be able to see things like the weather, you can connect your music, you can connect text messages, and essentially everything else. But for those who have CarPlay currently, let me know what you think of CarPlay right now. I personally don't have CarPlay in my vehicle. Like mine's like super like old school, like analog. However, I could definitely see it as something that I'd want to get in the future, depending on how much it was integrated, because I think that like it gets a bit excessive when it's text messages and everything. For me, I just care mostly about music. So let me know what you guys think. It's going to look a lot different than it has in the past, because first of all, you're going to be able to interface with this screen, so you can edit the font of the time and the date. You can also change the look of the picture that's visible on the home screen. Another pretty cool, interesting is the fact that you're going to be able to edit and delete messages on iMessage specifically. But that's all for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.